The age of the Earth is approximately 4,600 million years, who is known as the first to measure the distance round the Earth and also known as father of geometry. Euclid, who combined the ideas of continental drift and sea floor spreading into plate tectonics. John Tujo Wilson, the latitude AA on the map represents the equator, which seismic wave moves material in a circular motion. Rayleigh wave, the number indicating the intensity of an earthquake on a Richter scale range between 1 to 9. In which era Appalachian Mountains of North America was formed? Paleozoic era. The 10 highest peaks on Earth, namely Mount Everest, K2 Kanchenjunga, Lhotse, Makalu, Cho-Oyu, Dhaulagiri, Manaslu, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna are located in Himalayas mountain range. The hot, dry wind on the east or leeward side of the Rocky Mountains, North America, is called the Chinook. The highest mountain in Africa, which is not part of any mountains chain, is Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. Which mountain range extends from Kazakhstan to northern China? Altai mountain range. Which is the highest peak in the mountains Sierra Nevada mountain ranges in California? Mount Whitney. The mountains that separate Europe and Arctic Russia are the Urals. Name the mountain that separates France and Spain. Pyrenees. Which of the following is the highest peak of the Atlas Mountains, North Africa? Topkal. Which of the following is the highest peak of South America? Mount Aconcagua, in Andes mountain range. What is the source of the Amazon River? Andes Mountains of Peru. Snowmelt from which mountains causes the Amazon River to rise? Andes Mountains. What are the tropical rain forests in the Amazon basin is known as selvas. How much of the Amazon rainforest is situated in Brazil? 60%. How many of the world's species can be found in the Amazon rainforest? 30%. What is the length of Amazon River? 4,000 miles, that is 6,400 kilometers. About how many inches of rain does the Amazon rainforest get a year? 80 to 160 inches, that is 200 to 400 centimeters. The Amazon rainforest spreads across how many countries? 9. What percentage of the Earth is covered by the grassland biome? 25%. What are the tropical grasslands of Africa known as? Savannas. In which continent is the steppe grassland? Asia. Downs grasslands are found in which country? Australia. The veld grassland of South Africa experiences which climate? The steppe climate. What is the name of the temperate grassland of South America? Pampas. Where can you find the Puna grassland ecoregion? Andes Mountains, South America. The llanos and campos of South America are examples of savanne regions. What are cowboys of the grasslands of Argentina, Brazil, and Uruguay called? Gauchos. What is the names of Indian Research Station in the Antarctica region? Nuthri, Dakshina Gangotri and Bharati. The red snow phenomenon in Antarctica witnessed in 2020 was caused by algal bloom, which is the highest peak in Antarctica. Winso Massif, which of the following is the only volcanic peak in Antarctica? Metricton Erebus, which is largest glacier in the world? Lambert Glacier, Antarctica, which is the largest lake in Antarctica? Lake Vostok, the ozone hole over Antarctica was discovered in the year 1985. The amount of ordinary salt present in ocean water is 2.8%. Which ocean current is the largest and most powerful surface current on the Earth? The Antarctic Circumpolar Current. Belt or area, that encircles the Pacific Ocean where most volcanoes are found is called Ring of Fire? Which ocean touches the shores of Asia on one side and that of America on the other? Pacific Ocean. What is El Niño? It is a warm ocean current appearing annually winter time along the coast of Ecuador and Peru. Which plant is responsible for maximum oxygen present on Earth? Phytoplanktons, tiny ocean plants that live near the oceanic surface. Which is the deepest point in Indian Ocean? Sunda Trench or Java Trench, near Sumatra, 3.2 kilometers. Which is the deepest point in Atlantic Ocean? Milwaukee Depth, 8.38 kilometers, near Caribbean Isles. Largest island in the Indian Ocean is Madagascar. Which part of the Indian Ocean is the least saline? Bay of Bengal. The process that creates the deep oceanic trenches is called plate tectonics. Which ocean is situated between the continent of Africa and Europe? Mediterranean Sea. Grand Bank, Sable Bank, Middle Bank and Jeffrey Bank are the major fishing grounds of which sea? Northwest Atlantic. The highest average salinity amongst seas is reported from Dead Sea. The busiest and most important sea route of the world is North Atlantic Sea Route. What is the name of the only sea that doesn't have a coastline? Sargasso Sea. What is the coldest sea on Earth? The White Sea, in Russia, has the lowest temperature, average is -25 degrees Celsius. Suez Navigation Canal links up Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. The sea that separates Greece and Italy is the Adriatic Sea. The longest ship canal in the world is the St. Lawrence Seaway, USA and Canada. The strait that separates Europe and Africa is the Strait of Gibraltar. Which strait is nearest to the international date line? Bering Strait. Which strait separates Tasmania from the mainland of Australia? Bass Strait. What is the name of the strait that separates the North and South Islands of New Zealand? Cook Strait. Which strait separates Sumatra and Malaysia? Strait of Malacca. Which of the following is the waterways is located between South Korea and Japan? Korea Strait. The gulf that separates Finland and Sweden in Europe is Gulf of Bothnia. Rama Setu or Rama Bridge is located in which gulf? Gulf of Mannar. The largest gulf in the world is Gulf of Mexico. Smallest gulf in the world is Gulf of California. Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef, is located in Australia. Where is the archipelago of the Great Barrier Reef located? Coast of Queensland in Australia. Which is the longest continuous barrier reef in the world? New Caledonian Barrier Reef. The islands with coral-covered surfaces in Bay of Bengal are Nicobar Islands. Lagoda Lake is situated in which country? Russia. Which is the deepest lake in North America? Great Slave Lake. The largest freshwater lake of Africa, area-wise, is Lake Victoria. Which country is called the Land of Thousand Lakes? Finland. Which is the deepest lake in the continent of Africa? Tanganyika Lake. Which canal connects the Upper Hudson at Albany with the Great Lakes at Buffalo is Erie Canal. Which is the longest canal in the world? Grand Canal, China, 1,700 kilometers. What is the length of the Suez Canal? 193 kilometers. Lloyd Barrage is a 6,166-mile-long network of canals, feeding the largest irrigation system in the world, with more than 5 million acres of irrigated land. In which country it is located? Pakistan. Although hot deserts have a very low annual rainfall, occasional heavy rainstorms do occur, and these sometimes produce steep-sided, flat-floored valleys, which is called wadi. The driest spot on Earth is in the Atacama Desert, parts of which went without rain for years. Where is Atacama Desert? South America. Which desert is an example of mid-latitude desert? Patagonia Desert. Which is the world's largest desert? Sahara Desert, 9.2 million square kilometers. The Great Victoria Desert is located in Australia. Most of the Kalahari Desert located in which country? Botswana. The most populated desert in the world is Thar. Bledo Desert is located in which continent? Europe. Where can you find the Desert of Death? Dashti Margo, Afghanistan. What type of deserts are Gobi Desert and Atacama Desert? Rain shadow deserts. The Bedouins are inhabitants of which place? The Arabian Desert. Which of the following tribes belongs to the Kalahari? Hottentots. Which tribe is a tribal group of the Congo Basin? Pygmies. The Maasai is a primitive tribe of Tanzania. Maoris are the inhabitants of which country? New Zealand. Which is known as golden fiber? Jute. Which country is the largest exporter of raw silk? China.
Thanks for watching Speed GK YouTube channel. Please support our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and also please share this video with your friends. Thank you.